What's impossible they forgot. This world keeps spinning with each new day. I can feel a change in everything, and as the surface breaks, reflections fade. But in some ways they remain the same. And as my mind begins to spread its wings, there's no stopping curiosity. I wanna turn the whole thing upside down. I'll find the things they say just can't be found. I'll share this love I find with everyone. We'll sing and dance to Mother Nature's songs. I don't want this feeling to go away. Who's to say I can't do everything? Well, I can try. And as I roll along, I begin to find things aren't always just what they seem. I wanna turn the whole thing upside down. I'll find the things they say just can't be found. I'll share this love I'll find with everyone. We'll sing and dance to
Come over here.
nature's song. This world keeps spinning and there's no time to wait. Well, it all keeps spinning, spinning round and round and upside down. Who's to say what's impossible and can't be found? I don't want this feeling to go away.
Sand?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see what's in that little pond right there.
Please don't go.
Good job.
They're gonna come some up here.
Let's go on a moonlight swim, far away from the crowd, all alone upon the beach. Our lips and arms close within each other's reach. We'll be on a moonlight swim.
Ollie, it's okay. Okay? It's okay. You okay, buddy? You okay?
On a moonlight swim, though the air is cold, with kisses oh so sweet, I'll keep you warm, so very warm, from your head to your feet. Let's go on a moonlight swim, we're in love and above there's a crazy gold balloon that sits winking down and inviting us to come on in.
Oh, there you go.
On a
Wash your
moonlight
feet off.
swim.